I'm from Cardiff. I work at the commercial team at Cardiff Castle. I'm also a writer and filmmaker. When I saw the Ffolio scheme launch, I just thought it was an excellent opportunity to get over that first barrier that so many people face, which is getting that first short film made. As a writer, I've written many things which never got produced, and the chance to be able to write something which you would get to direct yourself was too good an opportunity to turn down. My film is Cardiff I Love You. It's a deliberately romanticised snapshot of modern life in Cardiff.
What can I get you?
That depends. Who are you?
Early on, I knew I wanted to try and tell a positive story about life in modern Wales. And I've lived in Cardiff all my life and I love it here, and I just wanted to try and tell a positive, deliberately romanticised story. And it tells the story of an aspiring artist who is inspired to appreciate his surroundings, his city, when he meets a visually impaired girl in a bar. I've loved so much of the Ffolio experience. Working with such a talented team on the script was a lot of fun as a writer. Getting that input from such experienced and talented people and developing it slowly was a real thrill. And just getting to be on set as a director and being the one who gets to call the shots. Overall, the Ffolio experience was very positive. It was a challenge at times, balancing kind of normal life commitments like a full-time job or family commitments or childcare, along with everything that the project demanded of you. And there were a few weeks in pre-production when it was quite stressful, when those last-minute things aren't quite coming together and you're wanting to dedicate more time to it than perhaps you have. I was really lucky to have a creative and supportive team around me, and they always kind of saw us through in the end. The thing I've learned most is to keep focus on the things that are important, the original message you wanted to tell. So all those compromises you need to make, you won't feel bad because you're always maintaining that vision you had when you initially sat down to write that script. I absolutely want to make another film after this experience. Even for all the challenges, overall it was such a positive and thrilling experience. I think by the afternoon on set on the day, I'd really kind of hit my stride, and all I was thinking in the back of my mind was, I can't wait to make another one.